Hi, it's Captain Will Rogers from Boston Whaler. And what I want to talk about today are the differences between the Outrage series and the Conquest series of Boston Whaler. While they're both built with our double hull foam fill construction method, there are some real good differences between the two boats. For example, the 420 Outrage is going to be a great fishing platform that also lends itself to a phenomenal family boat where you're going to be able to create memories for many years. This type of boat is really great for heading out to the canyons or heading out to the resort. In either case, it is a phenomenal day boat with a nice accented cabin. However, sometimes we're going to talk about, hey, maybe we're going to go to Martha's Vineyard and go on the hook, right? In that case, we're going to need staterooms and accommodations. That's where our Conquest series of boats, like the 405 Conquest down here, where you have 2 staterooms, including a master stateroom with a privacy door, a nice stand-up head with an enclosed shower, but a lot of area that is sheltered for long trips and overnighting. So again, just some of the differences between our Outrage series and our Conquest series. It's Captain Will. See you on the water.